Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on minus 3's big friend's formula. What is the big friend formula of minus 3? Minus 10 plus 7. Where am I going to apply this formula? Where I won't have enough bits left to subtract 3. Okay. We are going to start with the B row. A row will be your homework. Okay. Let us start. First question. Add 6. Add 4. Do I have enough beads to add 4? Can I add a 4 here? No, right? There are no beads left. So first I will apply the formula of 4. That is plus 10 minus 6. Minus 3 we have to do now. Here we have minus 3. So how can we do minus 3? No beads. So formula of minus 3, minus 10 plus 7. This is the formula that we are doing today. And then plus 3. I don't have enough beads for plus 3 also. So what is the big friend's formula of plus 3? Plus 10 minus 7. My answer is 8. Okay. My answer is 10. Okay. Next. Add 10 less 3. Now, do I have enough beads to left 3? No. So what formula can I apply? My big friend's formula of minus 3. That is minus 10 plus 7. Then plus 3. Can I do plus 3? Again, no beads. So what is the formula of plus 3? Plus 10 minus 7 and then plus 1. My final answer is 11. Next question. Add 12 less 3. Can I do less 3 here now? No. So what is the big friend's formula of less 3? Less 10 add 7. Now plus 1. Can I do plus 1 here? No, no beads again. So formula of plus 1, plus 10 minus 9. Now minus 3. Do I have enough beads for minus 3? No again. So formula of minus 3, minus 10 plus 7. So my answer is 7. Next question. 14 minus 3, again minus 3. Till now we were having beads to do minus 3, but now we don't have beads to do minus 3. So formula of minus 3, minus 10 plus 7. Then again minus 3. We can do minus 3. We have beads. So we did. So my answer is 5. Next question, last one. So last question, 15 minus 5 minus 3. Do I have enough beads to do minus 3? No. So big friend's formula of minus 3, minus 10 plus 7 and then plus 2. My answer is 9. Okay. Now the first row is going to be your homework, the A row. Drop the answers in the comments. I'll get back to you guys. Okay. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.